running on virtual machines, VMs, due to their anti-cheat system. There are a few alternative approaches you can consider. 1. Run Roblox on your main machine. This is the simplest solution if your main operating system meets the minimum requirements to run Roblox. Just install it directly on your computer instead of within the VM. 2. Use Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP. Consider using RDP to connect to another computer that already has Roblox installed. This allows you to access the full capabilities of the remote machine for running Roblox. 3. Check for future VM compatibility. While unlikely in the near future, Roblox's policy on VMs might change. Keep an eye on official announcements from Roblox to see if VM compatibility is ever introduced. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Disabling VM software, core isolation. While some online advice suggests disabling VM software or core isolation, it's not recommended. These features can improve your system security and are generally not the cause of the Roblox error. VM hardening. Techniques to bypass VM detection are not recommended. They can be complex and violate Roblox's terms of service. I hope this helps.